I don't know how many people know about this, but I'm going to demonstrate an easy way to peel eggs. My mother taught me how to do this, and it works really pretty much every time. Today I'm using about 4 eggs, and this is the way that my mom taught me how to peel eggs. All you do is you boil them, drain them, run them under cold water, let them cool a little bit so you can handle them. And then all you do is you take the pot, there's no water or anything in it, and then you just shake it. And you just keep shaking until they're pretty much all cracked. They're still a bit wet, so the water is kind of popping out. And as you can see, the eggshells are really, at least I hope you can see, the eggshells are really cracking. And just make sure that they're all cracked. And then what you're going to do is just take an egg, and it's kind of fun, grab it from the top. It doesn't matter where you grab them, but it's kind of fun to try to get it in a long strip. But you're going to just basically, and this isn't coming off in a strip, it does sometimes, but the shells just peel right off, if you can see. Just peels right off. I've got, like I said, 4 eggs. I'm just going to try to do this kind of quick. Sometimes it will come off in really big strips. Pretty cool. If you do have any problems, all you need to do is just get your finger right under the membrane. Once the membrane is loose, it just rips right off, pulls right off. So if you're making deviled eggs or something where you really need to use a lot of eggs, this is just an easy way to do it. Just pulls off. The only thing you need to do now is just rinse them under cold water. Make sure all those little pieces of shell, because the shell is in there, make sure all the, or there will be pieces of shell sticking to it. Just rinse it off and you have your eggs. You can do it, I did 4. You can do it with a bigger pot, in a bigger bundle. There will be a lot of little pieces left, even if I'm throwing the shells on a paper towel or whatever. So then just take a paper towel, bring it to the garbage, and wipe it out. And you're done. Quick and easy way to peel. Quick and easy way to peel hard-boiled eggs. Try it.